So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit image saturation here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word. Once that is done, insert a photo into your design. So to do that, go to the top left here, press on Insert, then go to where it says Pictures. And for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go to where it says Online Photos right here, and then grab a photo that is actually Creative Commons license here through the online pictures. So I'm going to go ahead here and press on How about autumn right here. View some nice photos of autumn just like that, but then press on insert. Once that is done, which hopefully is right now, you can actually go ahead here and press on the image right here to open up this top bar right here. Now, if you want to edit the image saturation, go to where it says corrections right here, press on the drop down in the top left, and where it says brightness slash contrast, you actually want to go ahead here, not use this option, my apologies, go to color right here. And you can go to color saturation right here. So if you want to make it gray style, you can do that by pressing on that. You can press on color right here, and you can make it, more saturated by 400%, for example, just like that, and kind of play around with it this way. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to this is how to edit image saturation here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.